Hi, welcome to Laura's Pandora. Today I'm going to show you how I made this candy skull for a Day of the Dead party I'm having. So I purchased a plastic skull. You can get them at Joann's or the dollar store, and I wrapped it in tin foil. This will help protect when I put the layer of paper mache on. So I just made sure all the details were visible, the eyes, the teeth, and the nose area. And then I mixed together a third cup of glue and a third cup of water, stirred that really well, and then used squared newspaper to paper mache all around the skull. I had an opening at the back that wasn't paper mached. I let that dry overnight. Then I cut a slit in the back of the skull so I could peel it off of the plastic skeleton. I then paper mached the slit that I made and also the raw edges around the skeleton head. I let that dry, so I painted it 2 layers of white. Then I Googled candy skull patterns and I just traced the design on the skull that I wanted. Then I added the decorative paint. You can use all sorts of colors. These are the colors that I had on hand. After finishing up the decorative paintings, you can also spray it so it won't crack or peel off with a clear spray, and then it is completed. So I'm making about 20 of these for the party I'm in charge of, and it should be fun and festive, and I'm excited. I hope this helps. If you have a party similar to mine that I'm doing of a Day of the Dead, you can easily make these, and it's pretty inexpensive. And I hope you guys have a happy Halloween and a great Day of the Dead. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.